Oh hi! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Marian and sorry for my voice. I'm a little bit under the weather, but I was way too excited not to jump on and make a video to do a unboxing. I went a little bit crazy and ordered some more molds. So let's see what I got. So it's once again an Aliexpress haul unboxing. My aim is to have that new collection out for around September so I can start doing all my markets, Christmas markets and stuff, and have those new product lined up. So new shapes. There's some new shapes that I unboxed already in this video that I've not finished testing. I've been busy with my day job and I've been busy with moving house and finding a new house and selling that house. So I have to admit I have not focused as much on testing new shapes in the past few months. Knowing that I'm moving as well, I didn't want to start creating and making stock that I will have to move out of this house. So I kind of like paused it a little bit just to not create more work for myself. Let's see what I got. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Let's take a minute to enjoy the ASMR. This is what I call the Mobius candle. It's a large knot. It's one of my top selling candles, especially on my wholesale business. And I got 3 more. So this one, I'll share the picture here of what it looks like. This is such a cool shape. It's been very popular as well. And now we're getting into the new shapes. So as you may have guessed already, it's gonna be a heart, and a heart that it is gonna sit like this. It's a good size as well. But what I'm gonna do is, this is gonna be a 2-part video. So I tend to be really bad at this because I get so excited to test them that I don't film myself testing it. But I'm gonna do it today. So I'm just gonna do part 1 unboxing, and part 2 I'm just gonna pour them all and show you my process on how to do it. So stay tuned. But this is one of the new shapes. So this is another one. So it will sit like this. And so the wick will be in here. The inside is ribbed, as you can see. But it's ribbed in a really nice way that it's not making it hard to demold, because when you do have ribbed candles, sometimes it's really a nightmare with bubbles and breakage. But this, the way it's done, it shouldn't be the case. So I'm very excited to see this one. It should be a really nice piece as well. Now, oh, that's big. That's bigger than I expected. As you can see from my hand, that's quite a big one. So it's a cube one. I'll show here what it's going to look like, and you can see inside. So again, this one might not be the easiest one to demold. We'll see what it looks like, but I think it will look like a really cool burn. Properly wicked, it will shine light through the design outside. So the way I like to burn my candle, I mean, it's all very personal, and this is why I never really share wicks size on this channel, because it really depends what you want to achieve with your candles. Mine are very much sold as decorative. I don't necessarily encourage anyone to light them, but it's my duty as a candle maker to make sure they're safe if my customer choose to do so. And as a rule, I purposely underwick them. So I'm not trying to get the candle to melt all the way up to the edges. That's what it means. And it's gonna purposely what we call tunnel. And especially for this candle, I'm gonna go for that because I want the exterior of the candle, this part, the walls, outside walls of the candle to stay up and the candle to burn inside. So the light is gonna gently shine through the external wall of the candle. So that's what I'm gonna aim for this candle. So again, that's why it's all very personal, the way you want your candle to burn. So that's another shape. And the last one is a bit of a curveball. It's probably not what I would go for usually, but I thought it's actually quite cute and I've not seen that a lot. So I thought I'm gonna put it here what it looks like. It's actually huge. I don't know if we see through on the video, but here we go. So you can see it's gonna look like a book. So it has like everything like a book on here. So I think it's gonna be pretty cute, and I'm gonna probably either double wick it or triple wick it. I don't know yet. That's it. That's every candle mold that I got from Aliexpress on this batch. So stay tuned for part 2 where I'm gonna pour them and demold them so you can see them all. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you like this content and let me know that you liked it so I can do some more. And don't forget to go and watch part 2 when it comes out. I'll see you really soon. Bye bye. Can you believe I cut my hair myself? Well, I guess that will go in the bloopers.
You press me, yo. I would